Guys, today I'm going to make chicken curry. I have 250 gram of chicken, 1 potato, 1 tomato, avafadigo, 1 onion, 1 garlic, 1 piece of ginger, king chili and coriander. That's it. I'm now going to, what do you say, cut all these items. Ni mẹ mà kiếm tân phổ nằm điện thoại này. Ni mẹ đi thua rồi. Ni mẹ cái gì? Đi thua ngay rồi. Này đấy. Yang kena tu ni mẹ cái gì mà không biết. Ấy chỉ con cooking. Ấy gì ai nào chỉ happy. Quỳ nha nó quỳ đi ra thôi. Quỳ vô nằm. Quỳ nha. Trong đi quỳ nó đi. Phổ đi. Two 50 gram bayang tin hawit. Basahin niyo. IBS. IBS mo po. Kung wala na ba 60 kilo. Silang na. So I have all my ingredients: chicken washed and chopped onion, smashed ginger garlic paste, king chili I haven't cut yet, potato, tomato and this avafadigo and coriander. So now I'm going to the kitchen and cook the chicken. My oil is hot, but I need bay leaf, so I'm going out to get the bay leaf because bay leaf is growing in my compound, my kitchen garden. So let's go. So that is the bay leaf plant. So I'm going to get 1 branch of that leaf. So I will no, not that. Take. So this was, and I'm going to put a onion, garlic paste, ginger paste. That's it. I'm going to put all the masalas in. Coriander powder, this garam masala, black pepper, turmeric, Matzel. Matzel have and then chicken. This is our fadigung. Our fadigung. Put some salt. Laban. Laban. This is after adding water, and I am boiling it for 15 minutes. Tadi kau ngapain ada enggak? Hey guys, I'll have my lunch now. Rice with chicken curry. It's hot. It's very hot. Well.